So, welcome to the SWAMY'S Academy. This is theorem 1. What is the theorem statement means here? The tangents at any point of circle perpendicular to the radius to the point of under. This window, as we discussed previously, to write the steps to write the theorems. First statement to data to prove construction, prove, statement, reason. What do you mean by data means the picture, what is the given that you need to be written. To prove is what you need to be conclusion at last time you need to be written. And construction, what is required to take support that you need to be written. And after that, prove, statement, reason. Okay, now we need to draw the circle. So, circle, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So we need to take out perpendicular to the circle. As well as we need to draw that to tan. So give it a tangent. Tangent. So O is the center of the circle and give name that tangent name, that is OP. OP perpendicular to the xy tangent. OP perpendicular to the xy tangent. This is a picture about the theorem statement. Now first what you need to do is here data. So what is that data means? So what is the given in that you need to be right. So what is the given in that here? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. And O is the center of the circle. XY is a tangent. Contact point on P. XY is a tangent. Contact point on P. XY is the tangent. Contact point in P. This is about the data. O is the center of the circle. XY is the tangent. Contact point on P. Next, 2. So what you need to prove is here OP perpendicular to XY. OP perpendicular to XY. Next, what we need to do is here construction. So you need to draw. Some extra, that is 4 outer limits. Give any letters. Here M as well as N. So OM, then extend here O to N. So OM and OP are radius. OM will be greater than that of OM. This will come here in this. Draw O to N. Draw O to N. This is construction. Next, proof. In the proof, statement to reason. In the proof here, statement, reason. So as we know, radius are equal in a circle. So OP equals to OM. And in that ON, there are 3. In that ON, there are 2 parts. That is OM as well as MN. So what we can write means here, ON equals to OM plus MN. In that part, 2 parts we can divide. And here, as you know, OP equals to OM. OP equals to OM. What is the reason means here? All bodies are equal in a circle. That is the reason. And here, same one will come to know. OP, OM, then OM, it is greater than will be OM. So what we can get conclusion is here, OM is greater than OM. Similarly, OP also less than that here. OM is greater than OM and OM is greater than OP. So we can give conclusion. So which is can get conclusion means here OP shortest side as well as OM also shorter than that one. So we can give conclusion. What we can give conclusion means here OP perpendicular to X, Y. This is a conclusion we can do. So N6 proved. Thank you.